E-Commerce Law, Thailand, Part 2 of the 3rd of May 2023. Electronic commerce, commonly known as e-commerce, refers to the internet-based buying and selling of services and products via electronic means. E-commerce uses internet technology, mobile business, electronic funds transfers, escrowing services, electronic data interchange, supply chain management, inventory management systems, internet marketing, data collection systems, and many other technologies and innovative business systems. Most, if not all, e-commerce transactions use the internet for at least one point of commerce. E-commerce law addresses legalities associated with e-commerce. Each type of e-commerce company must abide by specific rules and regulations, just like any other business, and can run into legal issues that require legal advice from an experienced e-commerce law practitioner. This three-part series discusses Thailand's e-commerce law, starting with the law that covers SMS/MMS marketing. Part 2, SMS/MMS Marketing 1, Governing Law 1.1, Legislation, Direct Sale and Direct Marketing Act, B 2545, 2002, DMA, Consumer Protection Act, B 2522, 1979, CPA, Personal Data Protection Act, B 2562, 2019, PDPA 1.2, Regulatory Authority Guidance. 3 relevant regulatory authorities are responsible for the direct marketing activity as follows. 1. Office of the Consumer Protection Board, OCPB. 2. Personal Data Protection Committee, PDPC. 3. Ministry of Digital Economy and Society, MDES. 2. Definitions: SMS, MMS, SMS, MMS can refer to the transmissions or receptions of signs, signals, writings, images, or sounds by electromagnetic means. SMS, MMS marketing. Under Section 3 of the DMA, direct marketing means directly communicating an offer of a good and service to a customer to obtain the customer's responsibility to purchase such a good and service. Therefore, SMS, MMS marketing can certainly be regarded as direct marketing. Personal data. According to Section 6 of the PDPA, personal data means any information relating to a person, which enables identifying such person, whether directly or indirectly, but not including the information of deceased persons. Consent. Consent can refer to any freely given, specific, informed, and unambiguous indication from the data subject to the data controller on collecting and processing their personal data. 3. Consent requirements. 3.1. B2C. The PDPA states that a data controller shall not collect, use, or disclose personal data unless the data subject has provided prior written consent or on another legal basis. For example, the performance of a contract, compliance with a law, legitimate interest, etc. Kindly note that the telephone number of an individual is also regarded as their data. Further, please note that a data subject's consent can be withdrawn at any time, and a data controller must put in place a system to erase or destroy personal data as necessary to comply when a data subject withdraws consent. Therefore, as the telephone number of an individual is regarded as their data, the written consent for collecting the telephone number, that is, personal data, of a consumer must be obtained before the provision of marketing via SMS/MMS. Please note that the customer can withdraw the consent to collect their telephone number at any time, and the consumer's telephone number must be erased or destroyed to comply with the consent withdrawal. 3.2. B2. B. The PDPA only protects living individuals and expressly excludes information relating to legal entities. Therefore, marketing SMS/MMS sent to a generic email address for a legal entity does not require prior written consent. 3.3 Exceptions. Under the PDPA, before collecting, using, and disclosing a data subject's data, a data controller does not require the prior written consent of the data subject if a data controller acts under the following legal circumstances. 1. Performance of a contract. 2. Compliance with law. 3. Suppressing danger to a data subject's life. 4. Public interest. And 5. Legitimate interest. If the marketing business operator, as a data controller, has performed under the above-mentioned legal basis, Prior written consent is not required.